Alright, Randy, Mike, it is currently in a very drafty shop, 80 degrees outside. It's probably roughly the same in here, maybe a little more. It is 4:35, 47. So it'll be cooling off in the evening anyways. So if this cools off faster in here than it does outside, I say this is a success. If it cools off at the same rate, I say it's not a success. So this little guy, the floor unit that I just took out of my house so we can test this, I'll let it run for an hour or so and we'll see what it do. Alright, so, update. About 30 minutes later, this thing has still not cut off. There is nice cold air coming out this side. Problem is there was also fairly hot air coming out this side. So I'm not sure, but so far on either side it's winning. I'm hoping the cold air side will win. Problem is I don't know. We'll see. Forgot to mention when I started. This is my super scientific method of telling the temperature in here. In half an hour, this has only dropped a degree. Negligible. So, yeah. The bucket is 71. This is what the wall is. The wall is 75. So, remember those numbers. We will test them further in the future. Alright, so it has been about an hour. You know, we'll let it go a little bit longer. Just for the sake. Temperature, still 80 something. Not much has changed. And here, if I poke it at the wall, different spot on the wall, yeah, about the same. The bucket, about the same. So an hour, that little guy going as cold as it's able to. It doesn't seem to do a whole lot. I was really hoping that the cold side would win against the hot side. Although that is now not blowing as hot air. This air is considerably colder than this is hot. I wonder what the vice is. This had warm air blowing on it. Yeah, it's 85. You know what? I'm going to let it go for another hour. Just to be extra sure. I don't think one side is really winning over the other side. I think the hot side and the cold side kind of cancel each other out. But, just to be extra sure, I'm going to let it go for another hour because I just now noticed this is no longer blowing hot air. So, we're going to let it go for a little longer. Alright, so it's been not quite another hour, 50 minutes or so. Let's see. The bucket, still 72. Wall, it's actually going up a little bit and it's still about 80-ish outside. 80, 90-ish, somewhere in there. Blades? Huh? No. About the same. Shape one. Shape was the coldest. It wins. So, still blowing heat out the back and still blowing cold out the front. really kind of hoping the cold side would win, but it does not appear that it's going to do so. In which case, you get cancelled. Goodbye. You know, do a jobby job. So, Mike, your drunk ass won. Randy, I don't know what you've lost. Mike, I don't know what you won, but well, this settles it. I'll send this to both of you.